Hey guys, it's C1Ninja99, and today I'm going to show you Zeusmos, which is an application that pretty much allows you to install cracked applications. It is like Installous, but it's by a different creator, and what's unique about it is that the developer is coming up with a way to have it on non-jailbroken devices. Now I'm showing you the way to get it on a jailbroken device, but in a few days or to a week or so, the creator will actually come out with a way to download it through Safari and act as an application like Jailbreak Me. You know how that worked, Jailbreak Me 3.0, where you could download it on your device. He's trying to find a way to do that, to have Zeusmos on a non-jailbroken device. But for the time being, I'm going to show you how to get it on your jailbroken device running iOS 5, iOS 4, any device, as long as it's not below 3.1.3. Now to install this, you just need to add this repo. Let's go back. It's going to be repo. It's going to be this repo right here, the Uhelios repo, repo.uhelios.com, right there below the Ryan Petrich repo. It's right there. And I'll have it in the description below as well if you couldn't catch that. So once you install it, it's free and it wouldn't take long to download. It's only 5 megabytes, so it wouldn't take long. And when we launch the application, that's so annoying about my camera. When if the screen of my iPod's black, it just won't it'll just whiten the whole picture. So that's kind of annoying. But anyway, it's going to take some time to load. Sometimes I've never gotten it to load. It's in beta, so it's going to be a little buggy. So let's just wait for that. If it doesn't go, we'll just go into the other tabs. You can search for the app name. You can go into the downloads, check for updates, and it'll just tell you your state in the settings. And you can delete after install. I'll flip that on because I want to do that to save as much space as possible. So I'll just search an app. Maybe I'll search. I'll just search Angry Birds. It's a good demo app. It won't take too long to download. So, excuse me for this, I'm just typing Angry Birds. And there you go, you got a whole bunch of apps to choose from. I'll just click the regular Angry Birds, even though I'm never going to use it, to be quite frank with you. And here are the screenshots, you can go through all of them. I don't think you can tap on them, no you can't. And let's just wait for it to load right here. Because it's loading to where it says install, it's just going to load for a little bit. So a little bit buggy, so it will take some time. And now it says download. And you can download it from all of these repos. So it's kind of like Installous. You see the design is similar to Installous. I'll go to LimeLinks is my favorite because it's the fastest. So I'll just go to LimeLinks right here. Type in this. I honestly don't see an advantage over Installous for this. The only advantage would be for non-jailbroken devices because you'll be able to get cracked apps on a non-jailbroken device. But for a jailbroken device, this and Installous is pretty much the same thing. Although this is pretty nice. I do quite like this, the design, the simplicity of this. Although I've never gotten this page to load, even though I've just used it for the past day or so. So, yeah, I'll probably never load, but that's not that big of a deal. It's downloading right now. I'll be back when it finishes downloading. Actually, no. I'll just wait. It's just going to keep downloading. So it won't take too long now, maybe 30 seconds. So that's Zeusmos. All you have to do is add the repo I mentioned earlier, which will also be in the description below. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And I'll make a video once the non-jailbroken solution comes out, but this is for jailbroken devices. So if you're non-jailbroken, then stay tuned on my channel by subscribing up there for when I post a video on how to get it without actually having to be jailbroken, which is pretty nice. We've never seen that before. The closest thing we've gotten, or iOS owners in general have gotten, was Free My Apps, which allowed you to download sponsored apps if you downloaded other sponsored apps. Like that, you had to download 5 free apps just to install Angry Birds, which was, yeah. And it says it's complete, and we just install the IPA, and just wait. Yes, install. See, it works a little different there. I just noticed when you install an app, it would have a pop-up saying, Zeusmos would like to install Angry Birds. And then it just finishes installing like a normal application, as you see there. And it'll just finish installing, just gathering all the stuff. And there you go. You can launch Angry Birds just as normal on a jailbroken device as of now, but as I mentioned, it works on non-jailbroken devices as of maybe a few days, and I will make a video on that, I promise you guys. So that's Zeusmos. It is similar to Installous, but I like the cleaner interface and the fact that it actually brings you to your home screen when it's installing the application, which I find pretty nice. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. This was a requested video. If you'd like to request anything else, just leave it down in the comments below. Also like and favorite and subscribe at the top, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Ewan and Have a great day. Peace.